Okay, so welcome back once again, guys. Now in this lecture, I'll be talking about a dynamic title inside a Power BI. So let's try to understand how we can try to create a dynamic title, by the way. Now, first of all, we have to understand that what is the meaning of a dynamic title and how we can try to do a implementation of a dynamic title. For example, so we already have a date data, right? We already have a date data, let's suppose. And here, so there is a visual called as slicer. So let's suppose if I'm going to bring a slicer over here, and let's suppose inside this particular slicer, so I'm going to put a date, and from a date we have a year. So I'm going to put a year over here. I can try to change this slicer setting. So maybe I can try to change these things to a drop down. So it will be in a drop down 24-25. This was the year which was available inside my data, or maybe I can try to showcase as a vertical list 24-25. Now, so I have to create a measure, so where the values, right? So the values are supposed to change, or the labels are supposed to change based on the 24 or 25 date which I'm going to select. And if I'm not selecting anything, then it should show me a different kind of a label. Now, many of us may be not able to understand that how it is supposed to change. So let me do one thing. So let me go over here and try to create a new measure, and I'm going to give a name of this measure is equals to dynamic title. So TITLE title. And here, so I'm going to write down that sales report for, and this is just a string I'm going to write. And here, so I'm going to write and then I'm going to select, I'm going to call selected value. Selected value is equals to what? So selected value is equals to from a date 24-25. So try to select this particular year part. Yeah, so this particular year part. And then I'm going to write over here as a string all years. Fine. So this is a simple measure which I have created over here, a very simple measure. Now what this measure will do, so this is going to show me that sales report for this particular year, right? And if I have not selected any year, maybe 24-25, which is the year given to me, so in that case it should show me all year. Let me show you that part. So here, let me create this particular measure, and it is already in use. Okay, so I have already created it. So dynamic title 1, let's suppose this is the measure I'm going to create. Fine, dynamic title 1. Now, so here we have a dynamic title 1 which I have created. Now if I'm going to drag and drop this particular measure over here, and now if you will see, so it is showing me that sales report for all year. I think this is what I have written as a part of this measure, right? As a part of this measure, this is what I have written. So sales report for all year. So if year is not selected, let's suppose if I'm going to select 24, so in that case sales report for 24. If I'm going to select 25, so sales report for 25. So as per the measure which I have created, so I can try to change it dynamically as per my own need. And if there is a requirement that, okay, so keep on changing it. So when someone is going to select this particular year, and if someone is not going to select this particular year, then in that case, just try to show me the data, or just try to show me like a sales report for all year. That's it. Yeah, sales report for all year. This is something that it is supposed to showcase. So this is something called as dynamic titling, and this dynamic titling I can try to perform with respect to any measures I'm going to create, or any report card which I'm going to showcase in this particular place. So hope all of you are able to understand that how dynamic title is going to work. So you can try this out and let me know if you have any kind of an issue.